Are you interested in purchasing the highest-end professional-grade security cameras with the best AI video detection functions? Avalonix Premium Security Cameras offer crystal-clear video and advanced smart detection features, providing top-notch security. You can combine high-performance surveillance products with exceptional tech support. At CCTV Camera World, we're not just a vendor. Surveillance is our hobby. Tired of buying from websites and companies that are too large to care about customers? Or have inexperienced technicians who read from scripts? Well, you've come to the right place. We sell cameras that we work with hands-on and use in our homes and proudly stand by them, with free expert support available by email. When you need us, we're here. Our response times are typically less than 1 hour during business hours. Avalonix Premium DVRs and NVRs are built for independent operation with or without an internet connection. Easily connect IP cameras to an NVR for up to 16 plug-and-play cameras, or expand a system with up to a 128-channel NVR recorder using PoE switches over a local network. Premium Series IP PoE cameras and recorders are easily set up on a computer network with PoE switches, and an internet connection is only required for remote viewing using the app on a smartphone. With an Avalonix Premium Standalone Security Camera System, say goodbye to the monthly fees that are common with cloud cameras or systems that are out to make their stockholders wealthy. When you purchase our premium line of cameras and recorders, total control over the system is yours. Learn all there is to know about customizing, expanding, or troubleshooting your equipment with the help of our in-depth blog articles and fast free email support. Paid phone support is also available for hands-on assistance or learning. Stop your worries and start protecting yourself with exclusive Avalonix Premium products from CCTV Camera World. Connect your Avalonix Premium cameras or recorder to a stable broadband internet connection for unlimited access from anywhere. Whether on mobile data on a smartphone or hotel Wi-Fi with a laptop, your security camera system is always at your fingertips via the free mobile app or software. Premium systems also have access to live video and audio through web browsers without annoying plugins from the past. Embrace advanced surveillance with Avalonix Premium Smart Cameras, a blend of innovative technology and intelligent security. These cameras are equipped with smart detection features like line crossing and intrusion detection, which are customizable to your unique monitoring needs. Line crossing activates alerts when someone or something crosses set boundaries, making it ideal for sensitive areas. Intrusion detection enhances property security by notifying you of any unauthorized entry into predefined zones. Furthermore, on some models, smart motion detection differentiates between human and vehicle movement, which minimizes false alarms. Face detection technology on some higher-end models adds an additional layer of security to record and alert when a face is present. Avalonix Premium Smart Cameras offer a responsive and tailored security experience, transforming surveillance into a sophisticated and modern security solution. Avalonix Premium cameras represent the pinnacle of surveillance technology, boasting AI video analytics that cater to both residential and commercial needs. Key features include people counting for effective business traffic monitoring and abandoned or missing object detection for lost and found or inventory management. Additionally, some active deterrence models have measures like built-in audio alerts that effectively prevent potential crimes. Cameras with microphones allow for sound monitoring by alerting you when a sound is detected, while other models that also have a speaker enable two-way audio for direct communication with customers, staff, or to warn intruders.
All right.
There is a diverse selection of Avalonix Premium cameras ready for various environments. Most models are built to withstand harsh conditions, boasting strong outdoor durability and exceptional night vision capabilities. The selection ranges from cameras for basic needs that are 2 megapixel, all the way to Ultra HD 12 megapixel sensors that provide ultra clear video during the day and night. Discover surveillance solutions for nearly any requirement. Choose from fixed lens cameras for fixed viewing, or opt for motorized zoom cameras that allow you to adjust the view remotely for a dynamic surveillance experience. For even more dynamic security, consider purchasing pan-tilt zoom cameras. They offer comprehensive coverage, providing control over a 360-degree view, along with powerful zoom capabilities, with options including mini PTZs with 4x zoom to an impressive 48x on larger models. Long-range PTZ cameras maintain great night vision video with IR LEDs at high zoom levels, ensuring detailed visibility across vast areas in complete darkness. Designed for adaptable surveillance, Avalonix Premium PTZ cameras come with features like presets, scans, and tours for efficient monitoring. Some models also feature auto tracking using analytics, allowing the camera to automatically follow movement. Adding Avalonix Premium Security Cameras and recorders to your network is secure and straightforward thanks to some proactive features. With sophisticated user administration, you can precisely manage access, ensuring only authorized users can log in. Strong passwords are the first line of defense to block unauthorized entry. The system also allows for an IP address space filter, creating a robust shield against harmful traffic. Furthermore, HTTPS support enhances security by encrypting communications on your local network and across the internet, safeguarding the privacy and integrity of your recorder's web interface. Video encryption scrambles the video stream and protects it from interception. These combined security measures ensure your Avalonix Premium Surveillance System is thoroughly protected from potential cybersecurity threats. With cutting-edge technology and unmatched reliability, CCTV Camera World's products are dedicated to providing you with peace of mind. Visit our website or reach out to us to discover how our Avalonix Premium Camera systems can bolster your security.